Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, India is luring Nigeria for LCA Tejas deal. The Nigerian Air Force is looking to modernize its fleet by replacing its outdated Chengdu F-7NI fighter jets. To fill this gap, Nigeria has attracted interest from both China and India, each weighing for a lucrative 15-jet contract. Both contenders, the Indian LCA Tejas and the Pakistani JF-17 Thunder, are single-engine, multi-role combat aircraft. Nigeria already operates 3 JF-17s acquired in 2021, making expansion with this platform seem like a familiar choice. Next, Hanwha Ocean's silent exit from Project 75I. South Korea's Hanwha Ocean, once a front-runner in India's Project 75I submarine acquisition program, opted to silently withdraw its bid last year. While the takeover of Daewoo Shipbuilding and Marine Engineering and its rebranding played a role, a deeper analysis has revealed additional sectors behind this decision. Hanwha Ocean, inheriting DSME's legacy, offered the KSS-3 submarine, a 3,000-ton class that seemingly met all the Indian Navy's technical requirements. This initially positioned them for pole position. Next, glide kit for thermobaric bombs. Indian defense sector is witnessing a significant development, with Munition India Limited gearing up for mass production of 1,000-pound thermobaric bombs. This move comes after a successful initial delivery of 500 units to the Indian Air Force by the end of 2023. Thermobaric bombs are a potent weapon, releasing a cloud of flammable liquid that explodes mid-air, creating a devastating blast wave and intense heat. This makes them particularly effective against fortified positions, buildings, and enemy personnel in open areas. Next, India and Russia expanding nuclear cooperation with new radar sites. Indian External Minister S. Jaishankar has announced that New Delhi and Moscow are in the process of identifying additional sites for the construction of Russian-built nuclear reactors in India. Speaking at an event in Mumbai, Jaishankar highlighted the ongoing collaboration between the two nations, particularly emphasizing the significant progress made at the Kudankulam nuclear power plant in Tamil Nadu. Next, India sends warships to South China Sea in show of force. India has deployed warships to the South China Sea this month in a move seen by analysts as a subtle message to China about the importance of respecting international law. While there's a potential for China to react aggressively, observers in New Delhi says countries in the region have welcomed India's presence. 3 Indian vessels, the guided missile destroyer INS Delhi, fleet tanker INS Shakti, and anti-submarine corvette INS Kiltan, arrived in Singapore on May 6th. Indian Navy spokesman Commander Vivek Madhwal stated the purpose was to strengthen friendship and cooperation. Next, Indian Army takes delivery of multi-purpose tractors from ACE. Recently, a large number of 4x4 multi-purpose tractors in Army Green were spotted on the road, hinting at a major delivery to the Indian Army. This significant development aligns with a recent 550 crore order fulfilled by Indian manufacturer ACE for these versatile tractors. These 4x4 tractors are designed for a variety of purposes thanks to their ability to handle different attachments. This adaptability makes them ideal for the diverse needs of the Indian Army. Next, Airbus SIDBI to collaborate for financing helicopter purchase in India. Airbus Helicopters and Small Industries Development Bank of India have signed a memorandum of understanding for financing the purchase of the company's helicopters in India. Under the MOU, Airbus Helicopters and SIDBI will identify potential civil hospital helicopters operators in India who are interested in financing solutions for purchasing Airbus helicopters. Next, high energy X-ray modulation discovered in Swift. In a recent study, Astrosat has enabled the discovery of a periodic modulation of high energy X-ray photons during an unusual outburst phase of the black hole binary source Swift J172781613. This significant discovery, carried out utilizing the unique capabilities of Astrosat, is reported by a team of astrophysicists led by U.R. Rao Satellite Center, ISRO, in collaboration with the Indian Institute of Technology, Guwahati, University of Mumbai and Tata Institute of Fundamental Research in the International Journal Monthly Notices of the Royal Astronomical Society. Thank you.